Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's look is going to be a really fun festival look featuring the Stacy Marie Carnival palette that she did with Bperfect Cosmetics. There is a lot of bright colors in this palette, and today I'm going to use all the kind of like pinks and purples to create a really fun festival look. And if you want to see what I did, then keep on watching. Now the first thing I always do is I prime my eyes with the concealer, and today I used the CATRICE Camouflage Concealer, but you can use pretty much any color that you'd like. So I took the first color, Foolish, and I blended that in through my crease with a blending brush, and I'm more or less going to be using the same brushes for the video. Then I just took the color Lit and I further defined and darkened up my crease before going into darker colors. And I'm always going to be going from my lighter colors to the darkest, and I'm also going to be going more kind of pink into purple. So I started out with like the oranges and the peaches in my crease. Then I went into a really nice pink, and now I'm going into purple just to further deepen up the eyes. And the eye shape I'm doing is a pretty blown out look, so if you're not really into that, maybe don't blow it out as high. Then what I did next is I took the Camouflage Concealer again and I carved out a half cut crease into my eyes. And I wanted to keep the eyes quite matte because I'm going to be adding glitter to the rest of my body and face, so I wanted the eyes to completely stay matte. So just to blend in the half cut crease in with the rest of the eye, I just took the brush with the purple that had kind of like a leftover eyeshadow on it, and I just kind of buffed in that little edge. And I know I'm awful at tutorials, but you know, the voiceovers are the trickiest part sometimes, I think. But anyway, so I just highlighted the inner corner and also the inner part of the eye with the matte white from the P. Louise palette, because the Stacy palette does not have a matte white, unfortunately. So now I'm just going to be lining my eyes with the Black 77 gel liner from INGLOT, the best gel liner I've ever found. Ever since I bought it like 4 years ago, I haven't used another gel liner since. It's perfect. So I'm just making sure the line is nice and perfect and straight. Now because the palette doesn't have a black either, I just used the Jennifer Lopez black from the new collection with INGLOT, and it is fantastic. Most blackest eyeshadow I've ever come across. And then for the bottom of the eyes, I pretty much repeated the same process as I did on top, using the exact same colors. So there doesn't need to really be much explanation as to what I did. But you just want to make sure that the edges of the eye kind of blend in quite seamlessly. If you are finding that difficult to do the top and the bottom, you might as well do the top and the bottom at the same time using the same colors, and then kind of have a one continuous blend. Then I'm just going to be popping on these really fluffy lashes from Glamify, and they are just so stunning. Really nice and fluffy, a little bit dramatic but not too crazy. So what I did next is I just took these Festival Gems from Glamify and I stuck them right on top of my forehead, just like so. And if you want to make sure that these things really stick onto skin, either apply spirit gum or eyelash glue, preferably latex free, under it, just so it doesn't peel off with your sweat or anything like that. Then I just took this other kind of chunky body glitter from Glamify as well, and I attached that to my body and my face using the mattifying primer from INGLOT. But you can find many different sort of glitter glue bases online and in different shops, or you can use, I don't even know what you could else use. But then what I did is I just lined my lips with a nude lip liner, and I just applied a nude lipstick and a gloss over top. And this is more or less the finished look. I really hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!